Hi, I'm Akanshya. In this video, we are going to be talking about and comparing the Minimalist Retinol 0.3% serum and the Retinoid 2% serum. Vitamin A is effective in preventing signs of aging and also in treating acne. I've used both of these serums on my face and found out what works best for me. If you're also confused as of which one to pick, which one is gonna suit your skin, I think this video is gonna be pretty helpful for you. First things first, both of these products come in the same quantity, which is 30 ml. Retinol comes in a glass pipette packaging while the retinoid comes in a plastic pump packaging. Price of the retinol is Rs 599 while the retinoid is slightly higher, it is 699 rupees. The retinoid has a concentration of 0.3% while the retinoid has a concentration of 2%. Now talking about the strength or the concentration of both the serums, it seems like the retinoid is more concentrated or more powerful than the retinol, right? Because it has 2% while the other has 0.3%. But it is not really true because the retinoid has an inactive form of retinol which is in the concentration of 2%, which is the gram-active retinoid, but when you apply it on your skin, it converts into the active retinoid acid and that is in the concentration of 0.2. So basically the retinoid is slightly 0.1% lower in concentration than the retinol serum. The pH of the retinol is neutral, which means it is neither acidic nor basic, while the retinoid is slightly acidic. It has a pH of 5 to 6. Let's have a look at the texture of both of these serums. Retinol has a liquidy consistency. It is a pale yellow colored liquid, while retinoid is an emulsion and has a creamy consistency and a slight pale yellow tint to it. Base of the formulation, retinol is a squalane based serum. Squalane is an oil which, by the way, is not at all oily or greasy. It has that hydrating and nourishing feel to it, but it does not make your skin greasy. Unlike other oils, it is non-comedogenic and does not clog your pores. Retinoid, on the other hand, has a water-based formula which seeps into your skin instantly as soon as you apply it on your skin. Because we are talking about retinol, we definitely need to consider the drying factor. Now in the retinol, because it has squalane as the main base ingredient, it has a very hydrating and nourishing property, surprisingly, for a retinol or vitamin A. But yes, that's true, you do not need to layer up a whole lot of moisturizer because squalane works its magic on your skin. But the retinoid makes your skin little dry and crave for the hydration, so you definitely need to use a good moisturizer after it. Now, who are suitable to use these? Retinol can be used by dry skin, normal skin, or people whose skin accepts retinol very nicely. Retinoid, however, is comparatively less irritating and also provides better effects. If your skin is sensitive, oily, irritated, or inflamed or damaged, then you should definitely try out the retinoid first before hopping into the retinol. Let's quickly look at the application of both of these serums. Retinol should be used after application of water-based serums, toners, and before moisturizer. Because it's oil-based serum, if you apply it the earliest, it won't allow the other water-based products, serum, toner, moisturizer, to seep into your skin, right? So that is the reason why you should be applying this after you complete applying all of your water-based products. Retinoid, on the other hand, needs to be applied after cleansing and toning, and as the third step you can go for it because it is water based, so no issue. Now let's look at other ingredients apart from retinol if there is in these serums. So the retinol has ubiquinone or Q10, which is a coenzyme, and it basically is an oxygen scavenger. It is an antioxidant. It helps your skin to get rid of free radical and the free radical damage that can happen to your skin. It helps you to prevent that, but the retinoid does not have any such other ingredients. Now there are a lot of do's and don'ts of retinol. Who should use and who should not use retinol is something we need to keep in mind. A pregnant lady or breastfeeding lady should never use retinol on her face. Teenagers do not need retinol, okay? It is an active ingredient. It is a very strong active ingredient. If you're someone who is in your 20s, mid-20s specifically, you should start with your anti-aging skincare and you can introduce a retinol product in your skincare routine. Talking about the usage of these serums, you can start using these twice a week and then gradually increase the frequency or increase the usage as per your skin can tolerate. But still, I would not recommend you to use a retinol every single day. It's better कि आप इसे alternate days लगाओ. So I think that was all about this video. I hope you guys found it helpful and informative. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanshya, signing off. Bye.